Alright, timer start.
First game. Wala na laban ni Denmark. Rafa. Pass to Buena Blue. Sa tres, wala. Nakakuha ni. Binigay kay Barrion. Number 16. Number 16. Numerecho. Wala. Nilea. Pero nakuha ni Ivan. Pass to Denmark. 2. Number 30. 2 points. Rafa dribbling the ball. Number 27, pass to his teammate, 2. Rafa again, fake. Takes the floater. Wala. Nakoni. Number 918, pass to Denmark. Denmark, Eurostep, 2 points. Rafa dribbling the ball. Passes to. Pero nakagaw ni Denmark to number 30. Easy layup, 2 points. Sando action, pass to Nakalumitid. Number 23, yung patake. Wala, pero nakuha ni number 918, pass to number 16, to Stephen Curry, 2 points. At nabitawan na bola. Takes the 3. Wala, nakuha ni 918, to number 16. At sinering ka, pero wala nakuha ni Kuya, number fake, number 15. Wala, pero hindi tumawag ng foul. Kuya nakasando, dribbling the ball. Take the shot again. Wala, nakuha ni number 15. Number 15, napakabilis. Eto na, at labas to number 32, number 15 again. At reverse pa, wala, nakuha ni Kuya nakasando. At nabitawan ng bola. Number 19 pass to number 30. Number 30 dribbling the ball. Takes the shot. 3 points. Rafa dribbling the ball. In and out. Fake. Bump. 2 points. Number 16 pass to number 30. Easy 2 points for number 30. Kuwena ka, Sando ka, pass to. Kuwena ka, Sando na may headband to, Sando again, Sando ulit. Ano yan, connection ng dalawa. Fake, easy, tinira, 2 points. First point para sa kabilang side. Barrion, pumunta ka sa dalawa, 2 points. Kuya ng Sando, pass to Rafa sa Torres. Wala na ni number 918. Pass breaks to number 30 at nabilaso. Nakuha niya ulit at napasa kay number 15. Ay, wala. Na-rebound. Fake, punta. Wala, nakuha pa rin ni Kuya number 23, pass to Kuya ng Sando, naka-block. Crossover, pass to Kuya ng Sando, block na may headband sa Torres. Wala. Nakuha ni number 15. Number 15 takes the shot. Wala. Nakuha niya pa rin. Pass to number 32, number 15, 2 points. Number 27, Rafa. Pass to number, walang number. Take a shot, wala. Parang nakuha ni number 30, Stephen Curry. Curry, number 30. At kumana footwork pero wala naman ni Kuya nakasando. Pass to Rafa. Raimundo gumawa, tinira, floater. Wala naman ni Kuya nakasando. At tinira, 2 points. Number 15 pass to Barrion fake. Pumunta ka sa gitna, extra step, pass to Ivan, wala play, pero wala nakakuha na. Wala. Pass to Rafa. Raimundo. Pass again. Takes the shot. Wala. Nakuha ni. Kuya nakabilang pero tumama sa kanya. Time remaining, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Score on the night, 17-6 in favor of Team Nila Barion. 2 points. Rafa takes the shot. Wala na ni number 9, 18 passes to Barion. Lumakas na. Ay, crossover. Pero nabitawan. Barion fake. Pero tinira. Ay, fake ulit. Hanapin din ako doon. 2 points. Kuya, napakabilis. Pass to Kuya Naka. Santos, pero wala na short. Nakuha ni Kuya 2. Number 15 takes the shot. 2 points. Mag-subscribe na po tayo sa channel ng wala move by Denmark, 2 points. Subscribe na tayo sa channel ng GAG para makita nyo ang mga videos nyo. Palike na rin guys. Papalo na rin ng FB page. Number 918. Pass to Ivan sa gitna. Wala. Pass to Rafa. Spin move. Pero natabigan. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Time remaining for this game. Pass to number 15. 2 points. Laro tayo guys. Kuya, attendance na po. Wala. Nakuha ni number 28 takes the shot. Pero wala nakuha ni number 15. At pinaikot-ikot ang dalawa. Passes to number 30. 2 points. Good pass by Denmark. Takes a shot. Wala. Nawani. Number 15. To Barion. Barion. Lays it up. Wala. Hindi na yung pase. Rafa. Raimundo. Pass to number 23. Wala. Nawani. Number 15. Number 15. Easy layup by number 15. Kuya Nakasando takes the shot. Wala. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Time remaining. Chemistry. 2 points. Nakuha ni Barion sa tres. Wala. Nakuha ni Gwen na t-shirt na black. Rumaragas na. 2 points. Number 30, passes to number 15, fake. Yun step, Pinoy move. 3 points.
Ay, solo ka?
1 minute. Time remaining for this game. Parang kay Lebron. 2 points.
Ma-register lang dito.
Pass to Ivan sa gitna, pinasa kay Barion, the threat, fake, drop, pinasa kay Ivan, takes the shot, wala, number 30, nabuha to number 15, stress, 3 points. Last,
Stretching ka na pare.
25 seconds. Pass to Rafa sa tres, wala. Pass to number 30. Number 30, pass to Ben Mike. 2 points. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Yung bago, next player. Last name? Last name? Amante. Perla. 1 minute break. Darius, pasok na. Yung kasama ni, nila Jesper, pwede na ba maglaro? Wala pa. Oh, we still need 7 players right now.